You sit in a classroom and a camera watches your face to decide if you're sad, distracted, or bored. That's not science fiction. It's real software already being piloted in hundreds of public schools. In just 3 years, AI emotion recognition software has grown from a niche curiosity into a $2.3 billion market. And the most powerful tools are being developed by companies focused not on care, but on data collection and profit. You'd think detecting sadness in a child would be about empathy, but the math behind it is far colder. The AI scans your face for 68 facial feature points to calculate an emotion score, all before your teacher even notices. But here's the twist. The data isn't used to help you. It's being sold to insurance companies and government agencies. One district in California already feeds behavioral AI data into its student records without parental consent. And when the software says a child has moderate anxiety, schools now treat that score like a medical diagnosis. This isn't about mental health. It's about automating what was once a fully human role. As AI becomes cheaper and faster, the choice will no longer be between humans and machines. It will be between you and your data.